gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped your style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side.
Today I'll be reviewing the Duvolle Radiance Skincare System. This set includes 4 interchangeable brush attachments, a large body brush, facial cleansing brush, facial exfoliating brush, and a pumice stone. I am already in love with this product because guys, it can be used in the shower. I don't have to plug it in. All I have to do is add 4 AA batteries and I'm good to go. I'm gonna add my Fenty Beauty cleanser and use the cleansing brush.
Before the bed, you acting like I was never there. Ain't no chick for you like I did. So you better stop playing with me before this turns out ugly. I ain't got time, I ain't got patience, but you gon' stop spreading those false news. Tell your little girl to calm down too.
The instruction reads, gentle move the facial cleansing brush across your face while moving it in a circular motion. This facial cleansing brush, it gently removes excess dirt and makeup residue from your skin, and it is great to use before the exfoliation process, guys. Exfoliating helps improve your skin's appearance while elevating its ability to absorb the skincare treatment after washing. Look at all this makeup on the brush, guys. If I was using my hands or a washcloth, I would have to cleanse at least twice to remove all the excess makeup. But with this brush, I only cleanse once. And the instruction reads the same. Gently move the brush on your skin in a circular motion. It feels a little tickling, guys, but it does feel good. It feels like you're getting a massage. The pumice stone attachment is an incredible tool for softening the rough skin on your feet, elbows, and heels by removing calluses and dead cells with ease. So guys, you can take this in the shower with you and get rid of those dead skin. I'll leave the link in the description down below so you can go and check this mini facial system out, guys, if you are interested. And also you can use my code CourageousK and get 70% off, guys. Yes, 70%. Thank you for watching, guys, and as always, I do appreciate you all. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave your girl a thumbs up. Until next time, bye.
Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side. I don't like to brag on what I do, but you acting like I didn't make you. Looking at me sideways, giving me all type of face.